Hi everyone, I'm Sarah with Child's Pose Studios, and this is your 30-day Kids Yoga Challenge. So grab a water bottle and meet me on the mat. All right, everyone. Week 1, day 5. And if you have been following along at home, this week it's all about breath. Breath is the foundation of everything we do. It is what helps calm and center our body. In some cases, it brings us energy. Today, we're talking about lion's breath. I love lion's breath. You guys know I love to use my imagination. So lion's breath is one of those poses that we get to use our imagination for. Lion's breath is a breath that gets all of the air out of your body very quickly and very strong. So the way you do lion's breath is in through your nose and out through our mouth, but what's different is we're gonna have a big, strong, proud lion's breath, and we're gonna stick our tongue out like a lion, and if you feel comfortable, you are going to make a fierce, powerful, proud lion face. So, let's get ready. Find a nice seated pose on your mat. Today, I'm sitting on my knees because I want to have a nice, strong core, that's the middle part of our body, and a nice, strong spine. That's what holds our back up. Take that invisible line, pull your head all the way up, lift your chin, roll back your shoulders. Now we're ready. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out like a lion. How did that feel? Lift your mouth open, pull out your tongue, be a lion, feel like a lion, a strong, fierce, proud lion. Any of that energy, any of those strong feelings that are in your body that you don't need, blow them out. Get them out of your body, get rid of them. Deep breath in and let it out. All of the breath comes out of your body with all of those strong feelings that you don't need in there anymore. One more time, deep breath in. How did that feel? When I take that breath, I take all of the air and I bring it up through my belly, and when it gets to my throat, I actually feel a little tickle in my throat. Maybe you guys felt that too. So this next time when we take that lion breath, see if you can feel the tickle in your throat of all of that breath coming up and out of your throat, and see how it feels. Deep breath in and out. Did you feel the tickle that time? I know I did. We'll do one more together. This is your biggest breath of this class, of this challenge, maybe of your day. Think about anything that you don't want in your body that you want to get rid of. Blow it out with that lion breath. Bring all of that fresh, happy, calm breath into your body. Take it in and put all the rest out. Here we go. Deep breath in. I hope that after practicing that breath with me, maybe your body feels a little calmer, a little more relaxed, and a little lighter. All right, everyone, you just finished day 5 of your Kids Yoga Challenge. You guys are doing great, and you have completed your breath week. You are breath champions. So make sure to subscribe on YouTube, follow along. We've got a 30-day challenge, and I can't wait to see you right here on the mat.